Hello everyone. We are again with another awesome question for Math Olympiad. This particular question is also very important question for JEE Mains and Advance. While I am claiming that you will understand after viewing the video completely. So without wasting any other time, we are going to solve this question given on the board. We are going to discuss about the problem. So what is the question given here? Given x and y be a number such that x minus 2 whole square and y minus 3 whole square equals to 4. It's given x minus 2 square and y minus 3 raised to the power 2 is 4. And s is the largest possible value of x square plus y square. Find s minus 7 raised to the power 2 floor function of this. So before that we know what floor function is. What is floor function? Now it will take the largest integer not greater than this. I have already discussed about this, that floor function 2.5 equals to 2, floor function 3 equals to 3. For minus value, minus 2.5 equals to, it will take minus 3, minus 3 equals to minus 3. So for integer it will take the integer value, and for fractional value it will take the largest integer not greater than the number. So floor x equals to greatest integer not greater than x. This function already discussed. Now here the equation is given. The equation is x minus 2 raised to the power 2 plus y minus 3 raised to the power 2 equals to 4. So x minus 2 raised to the power 2 plus y minus 3 raised to the power 2 equals to 4. That is 2 square. So clearly this is an equation of a circle. Now if we want to draw the circle, let us understand about the equation given. Here the graph of the equation is a circle. Its center is 2, 3, x minus alpha ka whole square. If x minus alpha raised to the power 2 plus y minus beta raised to the power 2 equals to r square, the equation of any quadratic equation, then it's represent a circle with center alpha comma beta and radius r. So if we compare this equation and this equation, what we are getting from here, that center of the equation, the center is 2, 3 and radius is 2 unit. So this information we are getting from this. So let us first try to draw a rough sketch of this. So if we put x equals to 0, so this will be minus 2 ka whole square plus y minus 3 ka whole square equals to 4, which will give y minus 3 equals to 0, that is y equals to 3. So x equals to 0, y equals to 3 is a point on the circle. So this point is on the circle and its center is here at 2, 3. The center is at 2, 3 and this is also a point. Now let us check if the circle touches x-axis or not. If the circle touches x-axis, then y coordinate must be equal to 0. Now if we put y equals to 0 here, so this will be x minus 2 ka whole square plus minus 3 raised to the power 2 equals to 4 which will give x minus 2 whole to the power 2 equals to 4 minus 9 equals to minus 5. The square of a number is negative. What does it imply? It implies that the graph of the line will not going to touch x-axis because this equation has no real solution. So somehow if we want to draw the curve, it's roughly we can draw the curve like this. So we are getting something. What we are getting here? That the center 0,3 is a point on the circle, on the curve. Here the curve is circle on the equation given. Now we have to find out the largest possible value of x square plus y square. Now x comma y is a point on this circle. Any point on this circle is x comma y. Now since this is an equation of a circle, we can choose any point on the circle in parametric form. So how to choose equation of a circle? So we are choosing x minus 2 equals to 2 cos t. How we can choose? If x minus alpha whole square raised to the power 2 y minus beta raised to the power 2 equals to r square is an equation, then x minus alpha can also be chosen r cos t or sin t, and y minus beta equals to r sin t, which will give x equals to alpha plus r cos t, and from here we will get y equals to beta plus r sin t. Clearly if we choose this way, so we are going to find out 2 points. So any point on this circle can be chosen as x equals to 2 plus 2 cos t and y minus 3 equals to 2 sin t. In parametric form we are choosing. Okay, if you want to know about parametric form of a circle or want to know details about circle, equation of a circle and everything details about circle, let me know. Make a comment on the video, I will provide it. So y minus 3 equals to 2 sin t. From here we are going to get y equals to 3 plus 2 sin t. So any point on the curve, means on the circle, can be chosen as x equals to 2 plus 2 cos t, 3 plus 2 sin t. Now what is given here? Now x square plus y square equal is maximum. Clearly x square plus y square will be maximum any point on this curve. X comma y is any point on this curve. So x square plus y square will be maximum for any value of this equation, any solution of this equation, and solution of the equation is x comma y, that is 2 plus 2 cos t, 3 plus 2 sin t. Now what is going to be x square plus y square? So this is 2 plus 2 cos t raised to the power 2 plus 3 plus 2 sin t raised to the power 2, which will give 4 plus 4 cos square t plus 8 cos t plus 9 plus 4 sin square t plus 3 24 12 sin t a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we are getting 4 plus 9 13 plus 4 into cos square t plus sin square t plus 8 cos t plus 12 sin t. If we can choose, take a common 4, so this will be 2 cos t plus 3 sin t. So this is 1. Now sin square t plus cos square t equals to 1. So this value is 13 plus 4, that is 17 plus, so what we are getting from here, this is 17 plus 4. Now this value can be chosen as root under a square plus b square, that is 2 square plus 3 square cos of t plus alpha. How we can do that? Let us check this. 2 cos t plus 3 sin t. So if we choose 2 equals to a cos alpha, this will be minus, and 3 equals to a sin alpha. So 2 square plus 3 square will give a square, because a square cos square alpha plus a square sin square alpha, a square cos square alpha plus a square sin square alpha. So a square, value of a square is 4 plus 9 13, so a equals to under root 13. Now if we put these values, so what we are getting from there, 2 cos t plus 3 sin t equals to under root 13, 2 equals to cos alpha cos t minus plus under root 13 sin alpha sin t, and this is under root cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So cos of a minus b, alpha minus t or t minus alpha, we can choose any of them. So thus we are getting this value 4 cos t plus 3 sin t equals to under root 13. What we are getting from here, this equals to under root 13 cos of alpha plus t, alpha minus t or t minus alpha, whatever may be. Now it's become more easier. What is the maximum value, possible value? So for maximum possible value of cos theta is 1. The maximum possible value of cos theta is 1. So maximum possible value of x square plus y square will be 17 plus 4 root 13 into 1. Now we are going to erase this. Cos theta is always less equals to 1, minus 1 less equals to cos theta for any angle theta less equals to plus 1. So this value is always less equals to 17 plus 4 root 13 into 1. So maximum value of x square plus y square, that is s, is 17 plus 4 root 13. Maximum possible value. It may be smaller than that, but here we have given s is the largest possible value of x square plus y square. So s, maximum possible value of x square plus y square is s, and this will be 17 plus 4 root 3. Why? Now this value will be maximum when cos theta is maximum. Now cos theta is maximum when? Now when cos theta is equals to 1, then cos theta is maximum. So here s equals to 17 plus 4 root 13, which gives s minus 17 equals to 4 root 13. So square of this. Now we are going to conclude my question. So s minus 17 raised to the power 2 equals to 4 root 13 raised to the power 2, which will give 16 into 13. So this is 208. So it is an integer, so no need to worry about anything. Therefore, floor function of s minus 17 whole to the power 2 equals to 208, and thus we got our answers. So if you like the question, then give a like to my video, and to get more questions like this, subscribe my channel. And one thing I would like to suggest, if you want to solve any question, try to solve your question yourself. So first pause the video at the very beginning whenever you get the question, and then try to solve it yourself, solve the question by yourself. And if you are not getting the question, then do it. Okay, rest will be consumed for next day. Today we are concluding. Thank you.